Next section, measurement of intelligence. Human understanding of intelligence is somewhat limited when we focus on traditional or academic type intelligence. How can intelligence can be measured? And when we measure intelligence, what we are really trying to measure? Intelligence test. A test designed to determine the relative mental capacity of a person. History of intelligence test. In 1879, William Wondert established first psychological laboratory. Francis Crichton first time assessed the intelligence. In 1890, Cattell in USA testing mental ability published a book. In 1905, Bernard Simon Scale of Intelligence. Types of intelligence test. Types: individual test, group test. Individual test divided into verbal, non-verbal, performance. Group test is divided into verbal, non-verbal. Individual test and group test. Individual test only one subject at a time. The first group test developed were Army Alpha test. The group test are paper and pencil test. Detail about group test. Group test can be administered to a group of persons at a time. Group tests were designed as mass testing instruments. They not only permit the simultaneous examination of a large groups, but they also use simplified instruction and administration procedures. Advantages of group test. First advantage, one time more people. Second, the role of examiner simplifies. Third, score more objective. 4, better norms are established. 5, efficiency is more. 6, less power is required. Disadvantages of group test. First, score or does not reliability. Second, information is less accurate. Third, less cooperation is maintained. 4, the results are examined readily. 5, difficult to maintain report. 6, the interest is not easily maintained. 7, difficulty in handling the group. 8, frustrated over difficult ones. Detail about individual test. A test can be said individual test in the sense that they can be administered to only one person at a time. Many of the tests in these scales require oral response from the examinee or necessity the manipulation of the materials. Advantages of individual test. First, more attention is paid. Second, the behavior can be observed easily. Third, the examinee can easily convenience 4. The results are accurate. 5. The results and the scores are not dependent. Six, the speed is one additional factor. 7, the efficient methods. 8, more time to understand the person. Disadvantages of individual test. First, time consuming. Second, trained and experienced examiner is required. Third, it costs more than group test. 4, lots of investment is required. Verbal and performance test. Test divided by Pinter and Patterson, Collins and Draver, Patia for Indian children. Patia's test. First, Hooke's blocks design test. Second, Alexander's pass along test. Third, pattern drawing test. 4, immediate memory test for digits. 5, picture construction test. Of performance test. First, need specially trained personnel. Second, not reliable. 3, cannot predict. 4, materials are costly. 5, cannot use to be group test. Next, we are going to detail about IQ, intelligence quotient. Bennett-Simon scales of intelligence. The original test in the 1905 form 30 items. What is meant by IQ, intelligence quotient? The IQ is a measure of intelligence that is adjusted for age, brain volume, speed of neural transmission and working memory capacity are related to IQ. IQ is equal to MA divided by CA into 100. MA means mental age, CA means chronological age. What is mental age? An expression of the extent of the development achieved by the individual, stated in terms of the performance that can be expected at any given age, refers to mental maturity. What is chronological age? CA. Definition: age of a person measured in years, month and days from the date the person was born. Look at this graph. IQ bell curve. According to this data, 70% of people fall within this range, 85 to 115 IQ, below average and above average. Einstein's IQ 160 plus. What about your IQ? Intelligence interval, cognitive designation. 40 to 54, severely challenged, less than 1% of test takers. 55 to 69, challenged, 2.3% of test takers. 70 to 84, below average. 85 to 114, average, 68%. 115 to 129, above average. 130 to 144, gifted, 2.3%. 145 to 159, juniors, less than 1%. 160 to 175, extraordinary juniors. Full scale IQ. Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, WAIS, is the most widely used IQ test for adults. WAIS third was released in 1997. It provided score for verbal IQ, performance IQ, and full scale IQ, along with 4 secondary files, including verbal comprehension, working memory, perceptual organization, and processing speed. Look at this flow chart. Full scale IQ, including verbal IQ and performance IQ. Verbal IQ divided into verbal comprehension index and working memory index. Verbal comprehension index including vocabulary, similarities, information, comprehension. Working memory index including arithmetic, digital span, letter number, sequencing. Performance IQ divided into perceptual organizational index and processing speed index. Perceptual organizational index including picture completion, block design, matrix reasoning. Processing speed index including digital symbol coding and symbol search. Detail going on. Verbal IQ, VIQ, include 7 tests and provided 2 sub-indexes: verbal comprehension and working memory. The verbal comprehension index included the following tests: information, similarities, vocabulary. The working memory index included arithmetic, digit span, letter number sequencing. Performance IQ, PIQ, included 6 tests and it also provided 2 sub-indexes: perceptual organization and processing speed. The perceptual organization index included block design, matrix reasoning, picture completion. The processing speed index, PSI, included digit symbol coding, symbol search, 2 tests: picture arrangement and object assembly were not included in the indexes. Uses of intelligent test help to provide educational, vocational guidance, provide valuable information regarding mental ability, help to classifying clients, useful in selecting individuals for different job, used in research in psychiatry and nursing education, used in clinical and psychiatry hospitals to record effectiveness of treatment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.